Hello dear friends, again I welcome you in the economics class. In the previous classes we had gone through the definition of national income accounting, then we had seen some basic concepts of the national income, then we had seen the circular flow of income in the simple economy, then we had seen the methods of national income accounting, then macroeconomics identities we had seen. In that we had gone through the GDP, NNP and all. In this class we will study about the basic national income aggregates. So in the previous classes we had seen the identities, that same identities will take place, and on the basis of will calculate the aggregates like basic national income aggregates. So we'll start one by one. First one, we have the gross domestic product at market price. What is the meaning of this? GDP is the market value of all final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of a country measured in a year. Further, they are telling all production done by the national residents or the non-residents in a country gets included, regardless of whether that production is owned by a local company or a foreign entity. The sentence is telling whatever the goods and services we will produce in our domestic territory, that only we can calculate, or regardless of whether the production is owned by a local company or a foreign entities. Foreign entity means the production is done by help of the foreign machines or any other equipments. So the sentence is very clear. Here they are telling under the gross domestic product at market prices, all production done by the national residents or the non-residents in a country gets included, regardless of whether that production is owned by a local company or a foreign entity. Further, they are telling everything is valued at market prices. Dear friends, here the sentence is telling everything is valued at market prices. When the product will not reach in the market, there is no value of that product. When it will reach to the market, then price will take place and everything is valued only at market prices. So how we can calculate the gross domestic product at market prices? We have the formula GDP MP, that is market prices, is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. This already we had calculated in the gross domestic product in the previous class. Next we have the GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost. So the sentence is telling GDP at factor cost is gross domestic product at market prices less net product taxes. What is the meaning? We will try to understand with the help of further sentence. Market prices are the prices as paid by the consumers. Dear friends, when you will go to the market, you purchase some commodities and you paid, that market price is only paid by the consumer. Market price also include product taxes and subsides. So here they are telling whatever the price will pay in the market, that includes the taxes and the subsidies. So now we have to try to understand what is the meaning of factor cost. The term factor cost refers to the prices of products as received by the producers. Factor cost, you know the factor of production, land, labor, capital and organizations. In that return, the producer gets the money in terms. The term factor cost refer to the prices of products as received by the producers. So factor cost, it is the income received by the producers, or we can say the prices received by the producer. Further, they are telling GDP at factor cost measures money value of output produced by the firms within the domestic boundaries of a country in a year. So GDP at factor cost measures money value of output produced by the firms within the domestic boundaries of a country in a year. It means whatever the product, goods and services we will produce in the domestic boundaries means inside the nations. It is, they are not considering the products which we are produce or which is taking place with the help of other countries. Here they are calculating only the domestic boundaries products. It means whatever they will produce inside the country, then they can go through the GDP at factor cost. So formula we have to calculate the GDP at factor cost is equal to GDP at market price minus NIT. So what is the NIT? Net indirect taxes. Whatever the indirect taxes is given by the consumer, if will reduce from the GDP at market price, then we can get the GDP at factor cost. Further, we have the third point, net domestic product at market price, that is also NDP in small MP. So under this measures allows policy makers to estimate how much the country has to spend just to maintain their current GDP. Means net domestic product at market price gives the indicators or give the information to the policy makers to estimate how much the country has to spend just to maintain their current GDP. So they have to, if they want to make the balance, then they have to study about the net domestic product at market prices. If the country is not able to replace the capital stock, it means if the country is not able to replace the capital stock, it means whatever they had invested the money in the other sectors, if they are not able to replace the capital stock, then lost through depreciation, then GDP will fall. Then in that case, if they are not able to maintain the expenditure, then GDP will fall. How we can calculate net domestic product at market price? That formula we have GDP at market price minus depreciation. If we will do this, then we will get the NDP at market price. Fourth one, NDP at factor cost. So what the sentence is telling, NDP at factor cost is the income earned by the factors in the form of wages, profits, rent, interest, etc. within the domestic territory of a country. So NDP at factor cost, they are telling, is the income earned by the factors in the form of wages, profits, rent, interest, etc. within the domestic territory of a country. Formula for calculating the NDP at factor cost is equal to NDP at market price minus net product taxes minus net production taxes. If we will subtract from the net production taxes minus net product taxes from the NDP at market price, then we will get the NDP at factor cost. Further, we have the gross national product at market prices. So here the sentence is telling GNP is the value of all final goods and services that are produced by the normal residents of India and is measured at the market price in a year. So gross national product at market price, they are telling, is the value of all final goods and services that are produced by the normal residents. Normal resident means or local people whatever they will produce, then it is measured at the market price in a year, then it will be the gross national product at market prices. Further, they are telling gross national product refers to all the economic output produced by a nation's normal residents, whether they are located within the nation's boundaries or abroad. It means whatever the products produced by the people who are staying in the India, who are located within the nations or abroad, but those people should belong to the country, then it will become under the gross national product at market price. Again, they are telling everything is valued at the market price. Then formula, we have to calculate the gross national product at market price is equal to GDP, gross domestic product at market price, plus NFIA. So what is the full form of NFIA? Net factor income from abroad. If we'll do this calculation, if we'll substitute the value, then we'll get the gross national product at market price. Next one, sixth, we have gross national product at factor cost. Gross national product at factor cost measures value of output received by the factors of production belonging to a country in a year. Very simple sentence. Gross national product at factor cost measures value. It means it calculates the value of output which is received by the factors of production belonging to a country in a year. Formula for calculating the gross national product at factor cost is equal to gross national product at market price minus net product taxes. It means whatever the taxes we are paying, that will subtract from the GNP, and even we will subtract net production tax. Whatever the net production taxes will come out, if we will subtract, then we will get the GNP at factor cost. So again, I will repeat, GNP at factor cost is equal to GNP at market price minus net product taxes minus net production taxes. Next, we have net national product at market price. This is a measure of how much a country can consume in a given period of time. Now, they are telling net national product at market price. It means they are telling here the quantity will come out, and this is a measure of how much a country can consume in a given period of time. It means how much a country can consume in a given period of time, then it will come out the net national product. Even they are telling NNP, that is net national product, measures output regardless of where that production has taken place. It means in the India or which part is producing that commodity, it doesn't matter. It means if in the rural area, in the remote area, some commodities are producing, then it will also come under the national product. So they are telling in domestic territory or abroad, this product may be produced in a domestic territory or abroad, will included in the net national product. Formula for calculating the net national product at market price is equal to gross national product at market price minus depreciations. If we will do the calculation, then we will get the net national product. Even that, again we have the one more formula for calculating the net national product at market prices is equal to net domestic product at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. Now we have the last one, that is net national product at factor cost or national income. So here the sentence is telling net national product at factor cost is the sum of income earned by all factors in the production in the form of wages, profits rent and interest, etc. Belonging to a country during a year. It means whatever the factors we are using, it should be belong to the country, to a country only. Then only it will become under the net national product at factor cost. It is the national product and is not bound by production in the national boundaries. It is the national product and it is not bound by the production in the national boundaries. It is the net domestic factors, income added with the net factor income from abroad. It means both when they will add net income from the abroad as well as the domestic factors, then we will get the net national product at factor cost. So calculating the net national product, we have the formula: net national product at factor cost is equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus NFIA, or national income. We can calculate the formula with the help of net national product at market price minus net product taxes minus net production taxes. If we will do this calculation, we will get the net national product at factor cost. Thank you.